Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install PocketBase on your Ubuntu 24.04 server, and by the end of this video you will be ready to start working with it.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating the packages, install the necessary utilities and check your system architecture using the following command. Next, navigate to the temporary directory and download the PocketBase archive using the following command. Among the commands you will find versions for both AMD Intel and RAM. Next, let's set up the user, directories and permissions using the following commands. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Now open the configuration file and paste the following code. Next, start the services using the following command. Now open your web browser and go to your server IP address with the next port. Create an admin account and you can start working with PocketBase. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.